Time for your high-tech update from the AT&T UVerse studio.
A lot of people waiting for this one. Nintendo's new Wii U goes on sale this weekend. The console does much more than just play video games. It's an entertainment hub for your living room.
You're going to be able to video chat, browse the internet, something called Nintendo TV that's going to change the way you view your entertainment.
Wii U introduces a brand new two-screen gaming experience with a touchscreen controller called Gamepad.
Even if dad's watching a game, the kids can also be playing a game on the Wii U Gamepad controller.
More than 50 games will soon be available for the new system, plus it's backwards compatible with discs from Wii. Wii U is also HD and brings together all of your entertainment options. One search finds videos across Hulu+, Netflix, Amazon Video, YouTube, and more.
So we really think it's got something for everyone.
A white base model sells for $300. A deluxe black model sells for $50 more. I'm Rich DeMuro. That's your Tech Report.